Sometimes chest pain can be a warning sign. Our stickman feels worried and decides it's finally time to visit the doctor.
The doctor explains that an angiography can check how blood flows through the heart. It helps find blocked arteries quickly.
Just preparing for the angiography. It won't take long.
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
That's normal. You're in good hands.
The doctor gives local anesthesia near the wrist, so the procedure stays mostly painless. Our stickman starts to relax. A thin tube called a catheter is gently inserted into the artery. The doctor carefully guides it toward the heart. Next, a special dye is injected so the blood vessels become visible on the screen. This helps doctors see any blockage clearly. The scan reveals a blocked artery. Now the doctor understands exactly what's causing the chest pain. The good news is we found the problem early. Here are the treatment options. The next steps are straightforward. Our stickman feels relieved because the problem was found early.
After the procedure, he rests for a short time with a small bandage on his wrist. Recovery is usually quick and simple.
Angiography can save lives by detecting heart problems early. Don't ignore warning signs. Regular checkups matter.
Okay, I'll schedule one.